What's up, boss lady crew? I'm back with another video. Yeah, y'all. If you're new to my channel, I want y'all to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Also, hit that bell so you don't miss another video. We're going to get into this gyro kit, y'all. This gyro kit, I got this from Aldi's. I know a lot of y'all probably shop at Aldi's. If you know, they got these gyro kits at Aldi's. So that way, you want to make a gyro, you can just easily pull it out. The easy dinner. Ain't got to do too much. You ain't got to really do much to it. I'm here to show y'all how to do it. Because they only come with 3 ingredients in a box. The gyro sauce, which is the Greek sauce, and the meat and the bread. But we're going to dock it up. We're going to make it delicious. And then we got some lettuce. The Caesar lettuce, y'all. You just going to leave the lettuce out the bag. I ain't feel like going to the grocery store and get some shredded lettuce, but we going to use that. That's cool. That's cool. So we're going to take the Greek sauce because it be watery, y'all, when they first come in the box. Because I know a lot of people just think, oh, we just got to use the 3 ingredients. No. We're going to dock it up. I'm using a butter and some olive oil a little bit. And that's just to saute the onions, y'all. We about to saute these onions. Don't talk about my pot. That's a big mama pot. Got a little couple of scratches here and there. That's how you know. That's how you know I'm around there cooking. So I'm going to dice my onions up. And then once I'm done dicing my onions up, and I'm going to put them in that little bit of butter. And we're going to put that in that pot. It's going to be nice and right. So y'all pay attention. We going to put them in there. We're going to saute them. We don't want them to be too soft. We want them to still have a nice crunch on there. Like almost caramelizing them. It is, but a nice little crunch. And then we're going to add a little salt and pepper to them onions. So we got to get them onions a little flavor, you know. We got to get them onions a little flavor. Because I know when you go to buy a gyro, they always be raw. No, we ain't doing that. Because a lot of people don't like raw onions. And they taste better on the gyro when they, you know, caramelize. And they still got the little crunch to it or whatever. I like onions, period. So I didn't back then when I was younger. But that's a whole nother story. So like I said, you take some salt and the pepper. And sprinkle a little bit. Whip it up. Stir it up. After you done stirring it up, you're going to let them sit for a minute. Until they get brown, y'all. Then that's when we going to remove them, when they look like that. Because they still got, you know, a little crunch to them. You're going to take it out the pot. Then we're going to take our gyro sauce. Take it out the pack. I was opening it at the beginning, but come back to it. So, because I was doing other things, I ended up grabbing the butter and the olive oil. So we're going to take that. You see how watery and loose it is from on thaw? Because it's been in the freezer. When you go to find those gyro kits, they be in the freezer. And when you let it unthaw, it be watery. So we're going to take some sour cream to thicken it back up, baby. And on top of that, it's going to make it taste way better too. Way better. And we're going to thicken it up. And then it's going to be enough. Because that little Greek sauce that they be giving is real shiesty. It's real shiesty. And we're going to mix it up. Once we mix it up, it's still going to taste. It's still going to have, still going to have great flavor. It's still going to have great flavor. We're going to mix it up real good. And I'll take it and put it in one big bowl. That way, especially I got a family of 8. And then sometimes we even have company come over. So this is spread through the whole little kit or whatever. You got to spread it out. I be having to buy 2 gyro kits, y'all. Because like I said, you got a big family and it ain't enough in there, you know. It's like only like 5 pita breads that come in there. Like 5 gyro breads that come in there. So, yeah. Got to mix it up. Put that in the refrigerator. Let that sit for a minute. And then we're going to take the little bread. There you go. And we're going to put it in the oven. Preheat the oven. You can put it on the rack just like that. Close the oven. Boom. Take some Swiss cheese. We letting that bread sit in there for about not even 15 minutes. Nope. We're not doing that because we don't want no crunchy hard bread. We still want it to be that soft texture. And like it got some warmness to it. You can even put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. But I decided to put mine in the oven. And I put it in the oven for about a good 5 minutes. And the oven be on 350. So not even 5 minutes, y'all. I say about 3 minutes. 3 minutes tops. Three minutes tops. So we take like 6 pieces of meat. or maybe 5, depending on who the kid is or who the adult is, if they like a lot of meat. Because, you know, you still got to let it stretch. And what I do is, after them onions then cooked, I cook that meat in them same onions. You gonna see it. That onion juice. With that, what was left over. And then I'm going to take my cheese and put it on top. Let it cook. Baby. A lot of people put their gyro meat in the microwave. We ain't doing the microwave thing. We just I cook mine on top of the stove or whatever. And once I'm done cooking it on top of the stove and that cheese all melted, then we gonna put it on that bread. Yeah, we took the bread out, swipe a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. You gonna put a little more on there. Don't worry. That's just the boom. Look at that. That meat all good and done. Look at that cheese all melted and stuff. Boom. Don't, baby, listen. Okay, now you're going to take your onions, your caramelized onions. And then we're going to put the tomatoes on there. Ooh, shut your mouth. We're going to put the tomatoes on there, baby. We're going to put and then we're going to put some lettuce on there. Y'all paying attention? I hope y'all paying attention, baby. I hope y'all paying attention. Baby, you ain't even got to go through the marathon no more to get you a gyro. Baby, you can make this at home. Baby, you ain't got to, listen, baby, the marathon is a gas station. They said they got on 55th, they got the best gyros. Like, but, shoot, you can make these at home. Get that gyro kit, go to Aldi's, and do what I just did. Put a little wrench. Oh, my God, y'all got to put a little wrench on there. Just a little bit, just a little bit. See how I did it? Then you fold that sucker up. Baby, look how that look. Baby, look how it look. Make you want to, ooh, slap your mama and your daddy, baby. Look how that gyro look.